On the YouTube channel, I shared a video where you can, in a web browser, in Gmail, you can select a bunch of messages within a particular date range to clear out a bunch of old messages. And then you can select them by date range and then hit delete, and you basically clear out all those old messages. Well, someone asked me, how do you do this on the Android phone? So I'm going to show you how to do the same step on an Android phone. I'm using Gmail on the Android phone. By the way, before I show you how to do this, if this channel is of interest or use to you, subscribe to the channel. There's more videos coming. If this one video helped you in any way, do me a favor. Hit the like button or something and let me know you watched it. And lastly, if you have any question about these videos or using Google Workspace or Gmail, just comment on any one of the videos, ask me a question, and I will answer it often with another video. I'm going to get rid of all the messages that are in July of this year. So that's the target I'm going to use. So here's how you do that. The string you need to type in is after this day, and I want to delete everything after June 30th, but before 2026, but before August 1st, and I'm going to hit search. So this should be all the email messages in July. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a little more than I thought. 13. This is all, it's showing all July messages. So again, that string you need to type in. I'll put an example of the string in the video description, and there's all those email messages. Again, they're all July 2026. Once you type the string in right, review your messages, make sure it says most recent, not most relevant, must say most recent. Review the messages, make sure you have all that you want to get rid of. Select the first one, click on select all, and hit delete. And now, if I come out of this search string, we should see there's August messages, should go straight to June. No, it went to April. There's not even any June. There's definitely no July. This is how you delete a group of messages by date range using Gmail on an Android. Now, if you said, oh my golly, I didn't want to delete that, you still have an option to recover this. And this is how you will do it. You have to do the exact same search string you did before, but you have to make an edit to it. And you have to put in front of everything. Let me get there. Make it say after 2026/6/30, before 2026/8/1. But in front of all that, I have to put in :trash space. So now I'm looking in trash for after June 30th, 2026, before August 1st. And when I hit the search button, there's all the messages. Those are all July messages that I did not want to delete. I can select the first one, make sure it says most recent, select all, and then I have to hit if I remember right, the 3 lines, and I have to move up top, move to inbox. And now, if I come out of here and go back to inbox, if I scroll down, I should see I'm in my primary, and there's all those July messages I brought back. In summary, the search functionality that we're able to do in Gmail on a web browser, we can do that same basic search string functionality in Gmail on an Android. Just be careful your syntax. Make sure you type it in correctly, and it'll work. I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this is helpful for you.